Hojek thokliba irang asina maram oiduna miyoi kaya mayum makai thadoktuna lanchelaktuna leire masigi manung channa Khundrakpam da leiba Naurem Birahari College amadi Heingang makha lekai da hangliba relief camp ta Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren yengsin khongchat chatkrei yengsin khongchat adu da Manipur Chief Minister N Biren apongmi sing da phongdorakpada mayum makai thadoktuna relief camp sing da leiriba miyoi singi oina masagi permanent oiba mayum makai leitri fauba matam khara leinanaba mafam sem saba haurani Sem saba si thani manungda loisina bahonagani lengakna honariba sida miyamna support tawbiu loinena tungda horakliba mahiroi singi amade health ki oiba lambida ayet papidana ba appeal su tawrake
the state, and I also request him to give safety those Meiteis who are living in the state of Mizoram, and he also assured me that the kind of things nothing will be happen, and all the Meiteis who are living in the Mizoram will be safe. I also assured him that the river Mizos here in the state of Manipur, they will be protected, they will be safe. Very sad scenario. I visited some of the relief camps and people are suffering, mainly always personnel, persons, children, women, they are suffering. And the government is trying to help at the best level. Today I visited some area and the government is going to construct prefabricated houses to accommodate them temporarily till the permanent settlement is taken place to shift at their previous places. So around 3,000 to 4,000 temporary houses will be constructed. Today also in this place around 32 families are here. We are looking the place where the new construction can be done with the help of the club's member, and we have already ordered the prefabricated materials to reach Imphal within 10-15 days.
Amaromda paumi singna hangba wahangi paukhumda lamdam asida thokliba maihau langpok asi security leiba mafamda su thokpa yaure masi matau karamna thoklibano haiba chamamnare loinena Mizoramda leiba Meitei sing khudong thiba thokloidaba phibamda leiri haike
Mainly the Sukuki militant to stop it, otherwise they will face the consequences. And I also appeal to the Meitei peoples who are with arms not to attack anything. Please do keep maintain peace, and so that we can restore normalcy in the state of Manipur. Very positive. Zoram Thanga is well experienced and a senior most minister in the East Northeast. And I informed him that some of the peoples, some of the Manipuri Meitei peoples mainly residing there, are little bit facing apprehension due to the ongoing crisis in the state of Manipur. So immediately he called me in the morning and he assured me that nothing will happen. And I also asked him this as a senior and experienced minister, whatever happening in the state of Manipur, you can have dialogue with both teams so that we can meet again and we can bring the normalcy.